Hello, guys. Welcome back to my English learning journey. And today I will talk to you about the topic nature and food. Okay, let's get started. First, food. Hello, guys. My name is Vinh. My full name is Mai Thành Vinh. I am 22 years old. My birthday is on March 8th, 2001. I live in Vietnam, a country famous for its rich and unique cuisine. For in Vietnam, each region will have different specialties. For example, if the north is famous for bún chả, bún đậu mắm tôm. The middle is famous for chicken rice and bún bò Huế. Then south has hủ tiếu and cơm tấm. Because I was born and raised in Thanh Hóa, which is the central region province. I have a strong passion for central dishes. The special feature of dishes from middle region is that they are quite spicy and beautifully decorate. My father is a master chef in the house. He loves to bún bò Huế, so he often cooks bún bò Huế for my whole family. The main ingredients that my father used to cook bún bò Huế are beef, pork, lamb, that, and a little green onion. Despite my father's cooking being quite spicy, but when mixed with other spices, it is extremely delicious. Although seafood is my favorite food, but I am not interested in eating fish. All kinds of fish. I love all fruits, but my preferred choice are mango, plum, and durian. I feel very happy where every time I enjoy Vietnamese food. Okay, next, nature. Hello, guys. My name is Vinh. I am 22 years old. My birthday is on March 8th, 2001. I I live in Hanoi, which is capital of Vietnam. So Hanoi is place for millions of people coming from other province. This place is an area of about 2,200 square kilometers, but with more than 8.3 million of people living, Hanoi is a rather crowded city. Even so, Hanoi still has a lot of green ecological zones near my neighborhood. There are some small parks, some big lakes, and a lot and big lake and a big river called Red River. Every weekend, I usually walk and play ball at Thống Nhất Park. It's about 2 kilometers from my house. The mosque has a small lake, colorful flowers, and lots of trees. About 3 kilometers from my neighborhood. The neighborhood is Hồ Tây Lake. This is a largest lake in Hanoi, with an area of 500 hectares. Hồ Tây is an extremely ideal dating place for couples in love, because it is strangely poetic and cool. In Vietnam, in Hanoi, sông Hồng is in Vietnam. Sông Hồng is a large river with a total length of 1,149 kilometers, stretching across Vietnam. That is suitable for tourism. Sometimes I and my friends organize camping by the riverside. We eat barbecue, drink beer, and watch the sky night. nice guy, and I very love my city. Okay, thank you for listening and see ya.